Today we are going to open this dispenser. This dispenser is very compact in size and it requires a very much open up to repair this tap. This tap is dripping, so we are going to repair this as well. Let's start the open up. Just for you people, I have opened up each and every panel of this dispenser so that you guys know how to dismantle this and without damaging the gas pipes. You have never seen this extreme open up of this type of dispensers. So stay with me till the end of this video, and also please like, share, subscribe. Support my channel so that I can make and create this extreme type of videos for you people and give you the best ideas of daily life hacks. I have opened up the top cover of this dispenser and now extracting the switches of on off of boiler and the cold water. So the small panel can extract out without any hassle. Now I am unscrewing the panel screws. Make sure before dismantling the wiring of the switches to take the pictures as well, so that you don't forget the circuits and the wiring colors, how to match them. Carefully extract this evaporator and carefully unscrew this part, because this part is critical. If you damage this part, the gas will leak out. Now I am unscrewing the side panel, the back screws. This evaporator is fixed with the compressor, and you will not be able to take this out, but I have just unscrewed this evaporator to make access of the other screws which are hidden behind it. I have made a bend to the side panel so that I can access the front screws like this and open the side panel. The taps panel is fixed with the back screws, so it is mandatory to open this much extreme open up to take out the taps. You people will also need 3 to 4 tie clamps, because we will be taking out the pipes of water. So after installing it back, we need to tie them back with the tie clamps. It's the time to extract pipes of taps from the panel. Look carefully, I am taking out the pipe. Till this stage we are able to open up the taps and repair them, but I am going further from this and will extract the compressor as well and remove the base panel as well, and will make it clean. You can clean this panels with the help of blower as well, but as you already know, this is a knowledge based video and I will teach you how to open each and every panel of this dispenser, so that further if you need to go and want to repair anything in this dispenser, you people know how to open this up. The part which consists of a foam is a boiler, and the black part is a compressor. I am trying to extract this boiler from the base fitting. Look carefully, I have almost extracted this boiler. It just need a little sliding, and look, it is extracted now. And now we will proceed towards compressor. I have already extracted the pins of the compressor and I have slided the panel by lifting up the compressor. You people have never seen this extreme open up of the dispenser. Okay, let's move towards the tap and let's start the repairing of the tap. First of all, open these taps from the panel. Our priority is to repair these taps because the parts of these taps are not easily available in the market. If the parts are available, we have to alter them up and fix them in this design of the taps, because these designs are not usually available in markets. I have carefully extracted the tap from the panel, and now let's start the surgery of this tap. Carefully extract the pin. See how from with the help of plier I am extracting it up. Make sure you don't damage this pin. After that, the upper cap is screwed. We will unscrew the cap and will take out this tap assembly. Actually, now I am inspecting what is damage in it. This silicone type rubber is fine, just have a little groove, but it is fine and soft. If this rubber is not soft, you have to heat treat it with the boiling, or you can heat it. If this doesn't get soft, so we have to replace this rubber. Our loose spring was the main culprit, and I am retensioning the spring so that the lid can close more firmly and make a good seal with the rubber. If this rubber doesn't get soft with these treatments, you can also try to make another coat of a silicone based sealant on the top of it. That will be a little soft in comparison with this rubber, and will make a good bond. Now I am cleaning the internal body of this dispenser so that no dust can remain in this part, and make effective cooling, because the dirty parts will also affect the cooling as well. Make sure water does not contaminate the circuits of the this compressor and other parts. Okay, so now let's start the assembling. Carefully heat blow the whole machinery so that no moisture remain in the circuits. If there is a moisture, it will be can cause short circuits, so make sure to dry it fully. See how clean it is now. Carefully install the water pipes with the taps and then tie clamp them. If you have any questions regarding this water dispenser, you are free to ask in comments, and I'll make sure to reply them all with the all possible solution I can give you people.